Aronias. This farm has like 700 Aronia bushes, and you can come here and pick yourself, or you can buy it from them. And these Aronias are so good, and honestly I think they have the best prices ever. I mean, nobody can beat their prices. Look at this, all these berries. It's such an easy pick this year. We have so many fruits. It's August 2019. Look at all those bushes. 700 Aronia bushes. So beautiful. And then when you're done with picking, you can go to the shore and take a swim. Look at all those Aronia bushes, all those berries in the bushes. I'm gonna give you the phone number and the contact information, how to reach this farm. And if you've been paying high dollars for the Aronia berries, this is a better option. Contact these people and get yourself lots of Aronia berries at a low price. All those berries. The bushes are just loaded with berries. I've been picking them. It's just berries everywhere.